Hey everyone, today we're going to do a simple and quick video on the Huggies Simply Clean. These are fragrance-free, you guys. You get 704 wipes and you get 11 boxes of these. All right, you guys, these are incredible. Check these out. They're so cute with the Mickey Mouse as well. They're Disney baby and they're super easy to open and close. So this is a brand new pack. As you can see, all you gotta do is open it like so and you rip this little part off like that, and then you have quick and easy access to all the wipes you can possibly need. And then it has this closing feature. As you heard that lock, I'm gonna do it one more time so you can hear it locks perfectly and tightly, so no air is gonna get in there and all of your wipes are not going to get all dried up. So check this out, you guys. This is a perfect box to have and keep. Every time you need wipes, you're gonna have them on hand. We continue to buy this pack because it's the best thing ever. So go check them out, you guys. Fragrance free Huggies Simply Clean.